Hi friends, today I am going to explain you how to use the filter function with multiple criteria. I have made a video on how to use a single condition within the filter function. You can check out this particular video. So let us start without any further delay. I am just going to copy the headers and pasting in the F column to retain the headers. Filter function will not return any headers. So I just copied manually equals to filter. We need to select the data range, comma. We, we need to select the criteria range. Here I'm going to select the sales greater than 9,000. Once again, I'm going to explain you the single condition. So if you look at the results in the sales, all the sales values are returned greater than 9,000, which is matching to our criteria. So I wanted to filter the sales greater than 7,500 to less than 10,000. So how to supply the criteria here? Very simple. Select the criteria range and specify the condition greater than or equal to 7,500. Close the bracket, multiplication symbol, and open another bracket. In the second condition, put less than 10,000. And finally you close the filter function. So you can see all the sales values are filtered greater than 7,500 and less than 10,000. You can check in the icon. So now we have given the two condition within the same column. So let us try to apply another condition in the shift wise. So here I would like to filter only shift to details. So how to specify? Here one more condition within bracket, select the shift column, equal sign, double quote, shift 2, close the bracket, give a multiplication symbol. This multiplication symbol evaluates true and false. Wherever the shift 2 matches, it will be evaluated true. Wherever it is not matches, it will be evaluated as false. Similarly, other two conditions also. Wherever the condition matches, the formula evaluates to true. Wherever the condition does not match, the formula evaluates to false. All the truths will be included in our result set. So hit enter. So now we have 5 records here. Let's see how many records will come. So 3 records have come. So out of 5 there were 2 shift 1 records. So those are eliminated and now we have received only 3 records. This is how you can apply the filter function in MS Excel with the multiple criteria. What else if we do not have any results? That time we can also provide no results found in the third argument. No results found. Let's say I'm only giving shift. So this time there is no shift value in the A column. Hence it is the formula returned no results found as per our third argument. If I give shift to, again it will return the 3 records. So this is how we can use filter function with multiple criteria. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel if you are not done yet. In the next video, I am going to explain you how to filter the columns. Let's say we have 20 columns, 30 columns, more than what we required. That time how to use the filter function to get only the required columns into our reporting purpose or any other analysis purpose. So let's catch up in our next video. Thank you so much. Till then, bye.